Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to fix Ubisoft Connection Lost. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to of course Google and download the Ubisoft application. Of course, if you have struggles doing that, we have a separate video on our YouTube channel where you can go and check out that. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, in the left side of the screen, we have of course your profile, we have home, library, store, and Ubisoft Plus. In the bottom left corner, we have the download manager, and in the top right corner, we have subscribe to Ubisoft. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and fix Ubisoft Connection Lost. So, first of all, ensure that your internet connection is stable and restart your router if necessary. You can open Ubisoft and click Connect, click on the menu 3 and go offline and online. So switch from online to offline. You can click on the profile icon, click here, and here you can go and be online and offline. Of course, you can go and try doing that. Also, you can go and of course, sometimes simple just restart of your computer can do the thing. Make sure that your network drivers are up to date. You can open the command prompt as an administrator and enter the following commands. So you can open command and then you just need to go and put when you open it. So I'm just going to put like this. When you open it, you just need to put in these commands in the command. So, but all have to be one like this, and this one has to be like this and like this. So you can do it that. Also, the trick might be to, of course, go to your network settings and disable any proxy settings if you, of course, have them. And that's basically that. That's everything, guys. I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye, guys.